Hello everyone, welcome you all in this today's tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to discuss nuclear reactions. Nuclear reactions. We know the chemical reactions. In chemical reactions, the extra nuclear part means electron rearranges to form the product, or the rearrangement of the atoms of the molecules takes place during the chemical reaction. But there are number of reactions in which the extra nuclear part of the nucleus doesn't participate in the reaction, whereas the nucleus which involve in the reaction. Such type of processes in which the nucleus changes to another one, means one nucleus changes to another nucleus. Such type of processes are called nuclear reactions. In the disintegration of a radioactive nucleus by the emission of alpha, beta or gamma rays are the examples of nuclear reactions. Nuclear reactions are carried out by bombarding a nucleus called target nucleus by a particle called projectile. As a projectile in nuclear reactions are used neutron, proton, deuterium, alpha particle, beta particle, as well as the gamma rays. Now, the representation of nuclear reactions. Just like the chemical reactions, nuclear reactions are also represented by an equation. In the nuclear reaction, on the left hand side of the arrow, the reactants are present, and on the right hand side of the arrow, products are present. Here X is the target nucleus and A is the projectile. Y is the product nucleus and B is the ejectile. So in this way we can represent the nuclear reactions. The nuclear reactions are also represented by the path notation, in which the projectile and ejectiles are enclosed in a bracket. On the left hand side of the bracket, the target nucleus is placed, and on the right hand side of the bracket, the product nucleus is placed. In this, X is the target nucleus, A is the projectile, B is the ejectile, and Y is the product nucleus. Consider a reaction. In this reaction, the nitrogen nucleus is bombarded by alpha particle, which gives the nucleus of oxygen and proton particle. This nuclear reaction in the Bethe notation is nitrogen 14, and alpha is the projectile particle, proton is the ejectile particle, and oxygen 17 is the product nucleus. Another example is when boron is bombarded with again alpha particle, then it gives carbon nucleus as a product nucleus and again alpha particle as a ejectile particle. The Bethe notation for this reaction is boron 10, alpha particle, proton, and then the product nucleus carbon. Now the characteristics of nuclear reactions. Just like the chemical reactions, nuclear reactions are also. Now the characteristics of nuclear reaction. Nuclear reactions are also written like the chemical reaction with the help of equation. In the nuclear reactions, the nuclei which involved in the nuclear reaction and not the extra nuclear part means the electron. Nuclear reactions are balanced just like the chemical reactions. The sum of momenta on both sides of the arrow in the nuclear reaction is equal. The nuclear reactions are accompanied with the large amount of energy, and this is expressed in mega electron volt. The difference between the nuclear and chemical reactions. In chemical reaction, element doesn't lose their identity. Means when we observe a new chemical reaction, carbon atom of the reactant molecule remain as the carbon atom in the product molecule. But whereas in nuclear reactions, nucleus lose their identity. The reactivity of the new chemical reactions depends upon the oxidation state. Means in different oxidation state, the elements behave differently. Whereas in nuclear reaction, reactivity is independent on the oxidation state. For example, radium in 0 and +2 oxidation state shows similar nuclear reaction. Different isotopes of element have same chemical properties, means they shows same type of chemical reactions. But whereas in nuclear reactions, isotopes shows the different type of reactions, means they behave differently. For example, uranium 235 undergoes fission with thermal neutron, but uranium 238 doesn't. The rate of chemical reaction is affected by temperature and pressure, whereas the rate of nuclear reaction is independent on temperature and pressure. Means temperature and pressure doesn't affect chemical reactions can be reversed. Chemical reactions can be reversed, whereas nuclear reactions cannot be reversed. Chemical reactions are accompanied by small energy change. Means during the chemical reaction, small energy change observed, whereas nuclear reactions are accompanied with the large energy change. Means nuclear reactions are associated with a huge energy change.